This is a review of the wireless lavalier microphone 3-in-1 that I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review on. And this review, we're going to show you guys what you get inside this package and also test this product out to see whether or not if this thing is worth it. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so I got everything unboxed and you can see that there's two microphones. So one is the one on the left and then one is the one on the right. So this thing right here is the receiver. So what you do with that is that if you own an iPhone a 15 or a 16 or even a 17, then you can use this and this will pretty much turn off and on. So your microphone will automatically turn off and on. It pairs up with the Bluetooth. And then this is the microphone here. This thing goes right here on top of this. If you want to reduce the sound, like if there's sound coming, like unwanted sound, then you can reduce that. And then right here, we get a USB pretty much to charge it up whenever the battery goes low. And then also another USB. I think if you own a different device, like some other one, that you could use this to pair it up as well too. But I don't think I'll be needing that. So I could use one of these two on the left and right side. So let me go take this thing out right over here. You can see that this will pair up to your phone, so you just plug that in right there. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do now is I'm going to be testing with my iPhone 15 Pro Max. We're going to plug that in, and then I'm going to be showing you guys a quick demo on how this microphone works then. Okay, so before I set it up and show you guys how it is when I'm talking, I do want to show you guys this. So pretty much you take this thing, you plug it in. And this is my iPhone 15 Pro Max and it works fantastic. All you have to do is pretty much plug it in and it snaps in like that. So now since that is plugged in, I paired it up to the Bluetooth. So now what we're going to do now is take either one of these right over here and I'm going to be turning it on. And from there's a button you press right over here on the back of this that will turn on. See, you see a green light right here, and you can see it's pairing up with this. So now I'm going to be showing you guys how this is when you're pretty much talking. Okay, so once you do that, then from there, you see it's in a green status mode. So now, as I am talking, you're going to see there's a noticeable difference between the clarity and the sound as I'm talking. So this thing would work very well if you're a content creator and you're doing any vlogging or something like YouTube. If you're doing something like that, would definitely come in hand. If you're doing traveling, this would definitely come in hand. And I absolutely love the microphone. You can tell off the bat that it really does change the effect as I'm talking. It makes it more clear, and this will be very useful if you're somewhere in a big large room and you want the audience to hear what you're saying, and without you having to scream and shout even more. This thing would definitely do the job. And overall, I'm absolutely happy with this product, and it comes with the second one right over there. So there's two of them, and this is also another thing too you could put on top of that and take this thing off and replace it with that too. If you're in a windy zone, then this thing would also come into play and help you out as well too. But other than that, you could tell off the bat that this product, it works really well. It gives that clarity and the sound effect really changes. And this would definitely, like I told you guys, it will come in hand if you're in a big room and you're wanting to pretty much be like an audience guest and you're trying to do like a speaking voice to tell something to other people, and you're in a big room and far away, and not with this thing you would definitely, people would hear you much more better, and the clarity and the sound of your voice of what you're saying would also come without you having to speak even more louder, or you're having to like shout or scream. So I would definitely recommend this product if you're doing any vlogging or anything like YouTube, or pretty much you're like a voice speaker. Then this product right over here would definitely come into play and help you out in this type of scenario and situation. And overall, I am happy with this product and I would highly and definitely recommend this product.